y'all doing today? Thanks for joining me here on OL Cosmetics. We are kind of like delving into the topic of what you need to start making skincare. Do you want to make skincare? Let's talk about it a little bit. So first of all, do you have a passion for skincare? I mean, maybe you like putting it all on, but do you want to make it? That's like it's different. Cleaning up afterwards, measuring all the equipment you need. You have to have a passion for skincare in order to make skincare, because nobody wants to do all that extra cleaning and dishes and weighing and all that just for fun. I mean, it's fun for me because I have a passion for it. But if you don't have the passion for it, you are not going to enjoy making skincare as a business. Now, if you just want to make skincare products for yourself, yes, go for it. That's the best way to get started. And that brings me to my second point is do your research. So research from reliable sources such as Swift Craft Monkey, Terralee Naturals, my channel. Make sure the things that you're researching are actually like based in science and reality. And not just like, hey, let's mix a banana with an avocado and some mayonnaise and you're good to go. This is not going to spoil because that's going to turn into a moldy, gruesome, terrible mess. Now, if you're making something for yourself and you want to refrigerate it and you're willing to remake it every week, that's fine. You can use those types of ingredients. You can get away without using a preservative. But luckily there are lots of natural, green, eco-certified preservatives now we can use to make our products more green, more clean, more natural. Okay, so passion, research your starter ingredients as well. Okay, so whatever it is you want to make first, whether it's a lotion, a serum, a lotion bar, a whipped sugar scrub, whatever you're gonna like, whatever you really just have your eyes set on making first, get to know the ingredients of those items. Okay, whether it's just like simple ingredients or it's more complex ingredients, read the information about each ingredient, because if you're going to make skincare, you need to know this anyways. So start building your base of knowledge. Okay, print out the sheets, the data sheets on each ingredient if you need to. Keep a file. But the data sheets at the places you can purchase the ingredients, like Lotion Crafter and Making Cosmetics and Make Your Own Buzz, I think it is. They all have data sheets that tell you the usage rates, pH, all of that. So it's really important to get to know your ingredients. Okay, so passion, research ingredients, and then test it on yourself. So formulate for your skin type for you before you formulate for friends or family. Okay, and while you're testing these different formulas that maybe you find on Terralee site, my site, Humble Bee and Me, Swift Craft Monkey, as you're playing with these formulas that are already been created for you, you're learning to formulate. You're learning what substitutions you can make. You're learning what ingredients does what. You're learning how to put things together so your emulsions stay. You're learning the essentials. Okay, so practice, and research. I can't say that enough. And passion, with a little dash of passion. It's like making a potion. So make sure to learn about percentages when you formulate. That way you can scale all your batches up and scale them down. And then we need to learn about preservatives too, like I was saying. There's lots of eco-cert preservatives out there if you're really worried about natural skincare. But if you are selling an ingredient or if you are selling a product that contains water, you have to have a preservative. End of story. Like, there's no crunchy way to get around that. Now you can do anhydrous products. Anhydrous products, anhydrous products, meaning that there's no water in it, all oil. Like my sugar scrub is just oil and sugar. Those don't need preservatives, okay? So if you want to stay more natural and you want to sell some things, but you're not willing to use like the EcoCert preservatives, try and stick to those things that don't need preservatives, like all oil-based products. No water. That was water preservative. Okay. And then lastly, after you've learned about preservatives, learn about the different actives. So now you need to grow your base of knowledge, grow your ingredient knowledge, grow your formulating knowledge, and then pass it out to some friends. Say you've been using your lotion for a month. It looks good. It didn't mold, didn't separate. It's nice. Give it to friends to test out. Get their feedback. Actually ask for their feedback and critique, because critique is really important in growing. Okay? If we don't know where our problems are, we can't fix them. We can't be better. We can't strive to do better things. So it's really important to get that critical feedback from your friends, from your family, people you trust and love, and that will tell you what they think honestly and, you know, constructively. And then, yeah, I would say that's pretty much like the basis of getting started to making skincare. Passion, research, testing, practice, learn your ingredients, learn about skin, the different types of skin issues, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, acne, mature skin, you know, really learn about how the skin works, how you can unclog pores, learn about AHAs and BHAs. Just learn, research, practice. I can't say that enough. And then when you're finally ready to like start a business, if that's what you want to do, you know, then you have all of that down and you just have to worry about the business side of things, the labels and all of that. That's a whole different video. I'm like, labels and licensing and all of that's a different video. So if you want to learn how to make skincare, you just got to start. Like, you just got to dive in. Look up some of the formulas on my channel. Look up some of the formulas on Terrily Naturals. Look up some of the formulas on Humblebee and Me, Swiftcraft Monkey. There are formulas that are backed by science everywhere. So do your research, practice, have fun. Like, this stuff should be exciting and fun and all of that. And oh yeah, see, I painted my nails. We had a fun little nail painting party yesterday with my kids. Just super off topic note there. But I don't actually do a ton of girly stuff, so it's always fun when I do. But I love skincare. Like, I'm not really a makeup person. I don't wear face makeup. Like, this is just my natural skin. I just wear a little bit of eye makeup and lip gloss just for you guys, just when I'm doing videos. But like, I'm not really a makeup person. I'm not gonna do some huge tutorial on makeup, but I love skincare because once I started formulating my own skincare, like, my face just improved so much, and I couldn't imagine, like, I couldn't believe how soft and just fabulous my skin started acting after years of struggling. So I have a passion for it now, and I just love it. And if you want to make your own skincare, that's what you need, is passion, research, testing, practice, all of that good stuff. So thanks, guys. Check out my Etsy store, owellcosmetics.store. Watch my other videos, subscribe, give me a like, and thanks again.